The summer heat has hit and it's time to cool off our piggies before they become bacon. I'm going to show you 2 strategies we like to use to help our pigs beat the heat. Now, pigs are warm-blooded, but they don't sweat like we do, and so that can pose a serious health risk to them this time of the year. Because they can't regulate their body with sweat like we can, they have to resort to external options. Historically, that's where you see the pig waller come into play, but our Kune Kune pigs, while they will roll in the mud, are not as big of a rooting breed as some of the more traditional pig breeds. We're going to provide some man-made structures for them. Our first structure that we're going to provide for them is a shade cloth. This is a 70% blockage shade cloth, and that's going to reduce the temperature underneath it by about 15 to 20 degrees, depending on the airflow. Our shade cloth is a 4x6 sheet, and it will have a greater shadow than the dimensions of this cloth because we're going to raise it up about 4 feet. We like to attach these using zip ties directly to the edge of our paddock fencing, and then I also like to drive a T-post into the ground for that last corner to stretch it out to help maximize the amount of shadow cast by the shade cloth. Now, this first strategy does great, but I like to pair it with a second strategy. Because pigs can't sweat, we like to provide an evaporative measure. Our solution is not a kiddie pool, but actually a sandbox. These kiddie sandboxes, like the crab sandbox you see before you, are completely waterproof, and they're more sturdy than the kiddie pools. Kiddie pools have the weak sides, and those pigs, when they get hot, just like to loaf around and will crack and break the sides. Not only was I able to use the bottom of the kiddie pool to provide some water to help cool our piggies off, but I also was able to use the top by framing in the lid and screwing it to some 2x6s, making a secondary pool for our girls. What I like about this system is that you get to choose what part of the paddock you want destroyed in order to help keep your pigs cool. So with the shade cloth and the sandbox, we have an ideal situation for our pigs to cool off when it gets into the upper 90s or low hundreds in the heat of the summer. It's another rainy day out here on the homestead, and that means it's a perfect opportunity to watch one of our other videos from this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope I've earned your subscription.